Hi, good day everyone. This is Vin. Welcome to NCR Rizal Properties. Okay, ganda na ito. This is a pre-owned na house and lot. Pero kayo mag-alala, hindi ko kayo bibigyan ng sakit ng ulo. Well-maintained po ito. So 285 square meter yung ating lot size, and yung floor area natin is around 350 square meter. But please take note na yung ginawa extension ng seller dito sa loob, especially dun sa service area, is hindi pa kasama dun sa 350 square meter na floor area. Okay, so well maintained to. In fact, every year ang maintenance ng seller dito sa property nila, right? So 2005 constructed po ito by a trusted builder. Okay, by the way, we're here inside the Philinvest East. Okay, along Marcos Highway lang, malapit sa may SM Masinag, LRT, pero hindi binabaha ito. Okay, hindi binabaha. Tara, pasukin natin. So enjoy nyo. Yung full details isasama ko sa posting. Okay, paki-check na lang ho sa description area. Alright, so enjoy nyo to. Ganda na ito, promise. Okay. So dito meron kayong terrace, and then yung parking pala is good for 2 SUVs. Alright? 2 SUVs. May setback doon papunta sa dirty kitchen. Actually naka-covered na. Pero hindi ako dyan dadaan. Diretso ako dito sa ating main entry, right, ng house. Ganda nito, promise. So alam nyo na, this is Philinvest East. So yung price, I think may idea naman po kayo. And nakikita nyo naman yung structure ng property. Mamaya makikita nyo sa loob. Mukha siyang hindi pre-owned actually. Mukha siyang good as new. Mukha siyang good our brand new. Yan. So ito yung balcony sa ating master's bedroom. Alright? Mamaya punta tayo dyan. For now, dito tayo sa main entry. Okay. So pagpasok mo is yung living area. Actually may makikita kayong mga gamit. Okay, yung mga furnitures. Negotiate natin sa may-ari. Mabait naman po yung may-ari. Negotiate natin, baka may iba silang pwedeng isama. Right? So living area and then dining area. Mamaya tayo punta dyan. Dito muna tayo sa ating full toilet and bath. Common full toilet and bath dito sa ground floor. And then meron tayo ditong senior room or guest room. Okay. So yun yung space. Pakita ko sa inyo yung space, ha. So enough space. Ito lang ganda ng space niya. Okay, tatanungin. Compared do sa other. Siyempre, 285 square meter lot size natin dito. And then, yung ating dining area. So kita nyo, kahit ceiling, oh. Pansinin nyo. Ayan, yung mga ceiling area. Diba? So, paano mo masasabing pre-owned to? Masasabi mo lang na pre-owned kasi may mga gamit. Pero kung pagbabasihan mo is yung structure ng mismong property at yung, kita mo yung mga ganda ng pagkaka-maintain, eh. Labas tayo dito. Ito yung sinasabi ko na hindi pa kasama sa 350 square meter na dineclare ko kanina yung floor area. Alright, so pina-extend nila ito. Pwestuhan ko muna dito. Okay. Okay, so dito nag-gym si sir, yung owner natin. And then yung gate na yan is going po doon sa ating parking area. Okay. Ikot na lang pala ako dito. Okay, ikot na lang ako. So itong bedroom, hindi ko na papasukin, may mga gamit. Pero dalawa po kasi may First bedroom dito, I think for driver's room, puntahan ko lang po kada kanto para mas ma-appreciate ninyo. Okay. Meron pa kayong garden area. Labas tayo dito sa ating pasok tayo dito sa ating dirty kitchen. Right? Labas yan, no? So, another bedroom here. So, for maid's quarter po, kaya lang, sobrang dami lang gamit. Ayan. Pero yung space, kung ako'y tatanungin, is maganda na may space po for maid's quarter. And then, itong pintuan na to is yung kanilang common toilet and bath. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung ating service area is naka-tiles na rin. Okay? Tiled na po siya. Space for the service area. Again, paki-disregard na lang muna yung mga gamit. This is a pre-owned. Then, ito yung access going dun sa ating parking space. Itong pintuan na to is storage area lang talaga yan. So, storage area. Hindi po siya pwedeng bedroom. So, again, meron tayong 2 bedrooms, 1 for driver's room, and 1 para po sa ating kasambahay. Then, ito yung access going din sa ating kitchen area. Okay? Umikot lang po ako ha. Umikot lang po ako. Okay? So, ito yung space. Right? Kitchen area. Again, kahit yung kitchen area natin, tingnan yung ceiling. Okay? Then, ito yung ating dining area. So, dyan ako lumabas kanina, diba? Ayan. Dito ako lumabas kanina sa terrace na to. Okay? So, one more look ng ating ground floor. So, kitchen, dining, and then, andun yung ating living area. Okay? Then, meron tayong guest room and 1 common na toilet and bath dito. So, akit tayo ng second floor. We have 4 bedrooms and 3 toilet and bath. So, 2 kwarto, may sariling toilet and bath po. And, a spacious family area. Right? So, ito yung ating second floor. Ayusin ko lang. Yan. So, pakita ko rin sa inyo yung ceiling dito sa second floor. O, diba? Well maintained. Right? Then, ito yung ating family area. So, first bedroom. Pasensya na kayo. Mga gamit lang. Kasi ito, ginawa nilang office area. Right? Actually, 3 lang kasi sila eh. Ayan. First bedroom. Yan yung space. Ito yung common toilet and bath. Okay. And then, ito yung second bedroom natin. So, yung 2 bedrooms, may common toilet and bath. And then, yung third bedroom and yung master's bedroom, may sarili po. Okay. May private bathroom tayo for the third bedroom and master's bedroom. Yeah. So, papakita ko lang, hindi ko na papasukin for privacy na rin ng ating owner. So, ito yung ating master's bedroom. Pakita ko yung space sa inyo. Ito, with walk-in closet and with toilet and bath, may bathtub din po. Okay? So, papakita ko lang, pasensya na kayo ha. Then, ito yung space ng ating master's bedroom. Kaya lang, ito pala. Okay. Ay. Okay, so master's bedroom. Then, the last part is yung balcony dito sa master's bedroom. So makikita nyo rin yung community. Right? So ito, a small balcony lang naman, nothing special. Okay? Pero maganda ring tambayan. So ito yung community. Again, we're here inside Philinvest East along Marcos Highway. Okay? So that's it. Again, this is a pre-owned house and lot. Pero nakita nyo naman, hindi siya mukhang pre-owned. Actually, mukha siyang brand new. Built by a trusted builder po dito sa Philinvest East. So kung may idea na kayo, nakita nyo naman, nandyan yung parang trademark ng builder, nakita nyo kanina. Alright? So yun lang, if interested kayo, nandito yung number namin sa screen, mag-message kayo. Alright, so that's it. Again, my name is Vin of NCR Rizal Properties. Thank you for watching po. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.